Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how Web3 is transforming various industries such as finance, gaming, social media, and more. Web3 is an idea for a new iteration of the World Wide Web, which incorporates concepts such as decentralization, blockchain technologies, and token-based economics. Web3 aims to create a more open, trustless, and permissionless web where users have more control over their own data, identity, and digital assets. You can think of Web3 as a network of interconnected platforms that run on distributed ledger technology, DLT, such as blockchain. Let's see how it is transforming various industries such as finance, gaming, social media, and more. Finance. One of the most prominent examples of how Web3 is transforming finance is decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a system of peer-to-peer financial services that do not rely on intermediaries such as banks or brokers. Instead, DeFi uses smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that run on blockchain networks to facilitate transactions between parties without intermediaries. Some benefits of DeFi include lower fees. DeFi eliminates the need for intermediaries who charge fees for their services. Faster transactions. DeFi enables instant settlement of transactions without delays or bottlenecks caused by intermediaries. Greater access. DeFi allows anyone with an internet connection and a digital wallet to access financial services without barriers such as identity verification or credit scores. Transparency. DeFi provides full visibility into the transactions and activities on the blockchain network, ensuring accountability and trust among participants. Innovation. DeFi enables new types of financial products and services that are not possible or feasible in traditional finance. Some examples of DeFi applications include lending platforms. These allow users to lend or borrow cryptocurrency or digital assets at variable interest rates without intermediaries. For example, Aave is a decentralized lending protocol that supports over 20 different assets and offers features such as flash loans, collateral swapping, and liquidity mining. Exchanges. These allow users to trade cryptocurrency or digital assets without intermediaries or centralized platforms. For example, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that uses an automated market maker, AMM model, to provide liquidity and price discovery for any pair of tokens on Ethereum. Stablecoins. These are cryptocurrency or digital assets that are pegged to another asset such as fiat currency or gold to maintain price stability. For example, DAI is a decentralized stablecoin that is backed by collateralized debt positions, CDPs, on MakerDAO, a decentralized lending platform on Ethereum. Gaming. Another example of how Web 3.0 is transforming gaming is play-to-earn gaming. Play-to-earn gaming is a model where players can earn cryptocurrency or digital assets by playing games. Some benefits of play-to-earn gaming include more ownership. Play-to-earn gaming gives players more ownership over their in-game assets and achievements by using non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique and scarce digital representations of anything on the blockchain. Players can trade, sell, or use their NFTs across different games or platforms without restrictions from game developers or publishers. More income. Play-to-earn gaming enables players to earn cryptocurrency or digital assets by playing games that can be exchanged for real money or other goods and services. Some players have even begun to supplement or replace their salaries playing these blockchain games. Some examples of play-to-earn games include Splinterlands. This is a tactical card game where players collect, battle, and trade cards that represent fantasy creatures and spells on a blockchain. Players can earn cryptocurrency or NFTs by winning battles, completing quests, or selling their cards on the marketplace. Axie Infinity. This is a turn-based game where players breed, raise, and battle cute creatures called Axies on a blockchain. Players can earn cryptocurrency or NFTs by winning battles, farming resources, or selling their Axies on the marketplace. Sorare. This is a fantasy football game where players collect, manage, and trade digital cards that represent real-life soccer players on a blockchain. Players can earn cryptocurrency or NFTs by winning tournaments, scoring points based on players' performance, or selling their cards on the marketplace. Social media. Another example is how Web 3.0 is transforming social media, decentralized social media, DSM. DSM is a system of peer-to-peer social media platforms that do not rely on intermediaries such as Facebook or Twitter. Instead, DSM uses blockchain technology to store and distribute user-generated content without intermediaries. Some benefits of DSM include more privacy. DSM protects users' data from being collected or exploited by third parties without their consent. Users have full control over their own data and can choose who can access it or how it can be used. More freedom. DSM prevents censorship or manipulation of information by intermediaries who may have political or economic agendas. Users have full freedom to express their opinions and views without fear of being silenced or deplatformed. More value. DSM rewards users for creating and sharing content with cryptocurrency or digital assets that reflect their contribution to the network. Users can monetize their content without intermediaries taking a cut of their revenue. Some examples of DSM platforms include BitClout. This is a platform where users can create and trade tokens that represent anyone's reputation on a blockchain. Users can buy or sell tokens of celebrities, influencers, politicians, or anyone they find interesting or valuable. Users can also earn tokens by creating content or engaging with others on the platform. Steemit. This is a platform where users can create and share content such as blogs, videos, podcasts, etc. on a blockchain. Users can earn cryptocurrency by receiving upvotes from other users who appreciate their content. Users can also curate content by upvoting others' posts and earn curation rewards. Hive. This is a platform that hosts various decentralized applications, dApps, that run on a blockchain. Users can access different dApps for various purposes, such as gaming, entertainment, education, etc. Users can also create and share content across different dApps and earn cryptocurrency for doing so. Web 3.0 is an exciting and promising vision for a more open, trustless, and permissionless web where users have more control over their own data, identity, and digital assets. However, Web 3.0 also faces some challenges and limitations, such as scalability, usability, regulation. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.